Hi, so it is day 3 and we had a really late start to the day. It's 2 o'clock right now and we're having some brunch. We're here at Eva's Cafe. I think the main motto of this trip is to just chill. So we're not going to be doing anything adventurous as such. We're just going to be chilling, and also today we're going to the casino towards the end of the day. So today's day is going to be very chill, and this cafe is very pretty. I've seen a lot of YouTubers coming here, so I thought it would be nice to come here, and it actually is really nice. We're waiting on our food. I'll show you what we've ordered. So for starters we have some nachos, very basic nachos. Then we have a drink. It's a smoothie. It's called La Mañana. And then what's this?
Mint lemonade.
Mint lemonade, which is actually very good. Next up we have some pancakes with strawberries and garlic bread. Next we have salmon breakfast. Basically it has 2 sunny sides up and then some salad. So we're done with lunch, brunch actually, and now we're just walking back. We actually don't really know what we're doing next, but the area that you walk towards Eva Cafe, the whole lane, has really good shopping. The clothes are really cool, so I think that's what we're gonna do next. So we've been roaming around for the last 20 minutes at this point, and we're trying to find Para Road. It's the Dear Zindagi Road, और मिल ही नहीं रहा है हमें. कोई रेसिडेंशियल एरिया में आ गए हम लोग. किसी का घर है पीछे. Tirth isn't able to guide us at all.
No. इतना दिन से मैं ही कर रहा हूँ.
आज नहीं कर पाया लेकिन.
भाई बहुत लंबा दिखा रहा है, 5 किलोमीटर दिखा रहा है आइटम.
So we're finally here. This is what the road looks like. It's very pretty, but it took us 1 hour to get here. The road is very confusing. If you're around, then maybe drop by, but I wouldn't recommend coming here all the way. It is nice, it's very serene, but for one picture or one video, maybe not worth it because the road is very confusing. So done with Parra. I was saying it wrong the whole time. It's Parra, not Para. And now we're going to the hotel. I'll tell you what the plan is once we reach. Hi guys, so it is 8:45 right now. We're waiting outside the casino. So basically we had to drive 40 minutes till here. We're at the port and we're going to Big Daddy Casino. What's the entry fee? 3,300 rupees, right?
500. हाँ मतलब जो भी अंदर डिस्काउंट रहेगा.
Okay, so basically there are different packages that they have, 1,100, 3,300, and depending on what you pay, you will get those number of coins for you to play in the casino. But other than that, you will also get free food, free alcohol, all of that, unlimited. So that's pretty good. It's my first time. Tirth has been quite a few times.
एक बार.
अच्छा एक ही बार, मेरा तो काफी बार गया. Yeah, so anyway, I'll vlog it for you guys. I'm not allowed to carry my camera. I'm just gonna vlog using my phone. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I know everyone's very excited. Siddhi especially. Yeah. Excited.
बहुत ज़्यादा है.
Okay, so we just got done with the dinner. It's so crowded. Buffet है, so it was pretty good. We're still eating. दिखा दो plate. Desserts की है. पूरा खत्म हो गया. But yeah, we're done with dinner. Now we'll go and play. Hi, so it is 4 o'clock in the morning right now. We just got back from the casino and it was a really nice experience. I was playing roulette for the most part, and I at 1.1 thousand rupees and then blew it all off. So basically I made nothing, I lost nothing, which is a good thing. I think Aditya is at a profit of 300 rupees and Tirth was at a profit of 150, I think. So yeah, that's the whole gist of the casino. I think you could visit for sure, but it's very crowded, and if you like to play blackjack and all of those casino games, maybe then it would be fun for you. For someone who never really plays all of those games, it was okay, it was fun, something to experience for sure, but it's worth it actually, because you pay 3,000 rupees or 1,500 rupees, there's a buffet for you, you can drink unlimited alcohol, and yeah, that's the scene basically. Now I'm just gonna go to sleep and I'll see you tomorrow. Hi, welcome to day 4, last full day here in Goa. No plan as such like every other day, but thoda sa plan hai. Right now we're going to Sink Beach Club, which is in Morjim. That's the plan honestly so far. I'll take you guys along. What do you guys think? कि आज अपना last day है. What are your thoughts? So we're here at the Sink Beach Club in Morjim. So what we've basically done is they have a regular setup where you can of course take a table and sit down, order whatever you want. But they also have some jacuzzis that you can sit like around or inside, up to you, and order food, hookah, whatever it is that you want to order. But the whole catch behind it is that you need to make a bill of minimum 10,000 rupees. Otherwise, if you don't make the bill of 10,000 rupees, you will have to pay the upar ka due. Basically, you need to pay 10,000 rupees, unlimited time, unlimited number of people also, correct? So it's the 6 of us. So all of us are going to be using the tub. The plan is that we're going to stay here the whole day basically. Right now it is 3 o'clock and I think we're going to be here at least for the next 5 hours. So till 8, 9 probably. We're going to see the sunset and I think it should be worth it overall. So our food is here. We've already actually had one pizza. This is our second and third one. The pizzas here are so good. Probably one of the best meals na that we've had.
Absolutely.
Hi guys, so we've been here for a while and the irony of it all is that I've come to Goa and I can't go inside the water. Neither can I go in the hot tub, neither can I go in the beach because the doctor told me that if I dip my leg in the water, pus ho jayega, and I don't want that. So that's the scene so far. And the funniest thing is that all of my friends, they don't really care about water as such. I love the water, like I love to swim and I can't do that. I can't even dip my legs inside the hot tub. सब hot tub में पाँव रख के बैठे मुझे छोड़ के. What do you guys think? ये worth है ये जगह?
एकदम.
If you sit here for the whole day, then otherwise maybe not.
6 hours.
Yeah, because I mean there's a hot tub and then there's the beach samne, and also the sun will set right in front of you. I think it's a fab place. Definitely check it out. We're playing blackjack currently. Teerth is the yeah, yesterday. But Adi, you won yesterday. How much did you win? 300 रुपए. हाँ, but actually हम लोग को ये एक दिन पहले प्रैक्टिस कर लेना चाहिए तो शायद थोड़ा फायदा हो जाता.
So we have got a private dancer with couples. Private dancer.
So even though I can't go in the beach, I'm just taking the feel of it by wearing my swimming costume and just walking on the beach. Everyone else is gonna go inside the water. मेरा GoPro नहीं चल रहा है for some reason. It's a brand new GoPro, but it's not switching on. Wow, okay, great. That's where they are, and this is where I am at the shore. I'm just gonna go get a foot massage or a back massage because there were these really cute little girls who were asking me if I wanted to get a foot massage and I couldn't say no. So that's what I'm probably gonna do.
Hello guys, welcome to Adi Camp. So Jatin and Shikhar are going to have a race which we are going to enjoy seeing them run. So yeah, let's get started. Here they come. Shikhar easily defeating Jatin Pahuja. तो गाइज ये 50 मीटर रेस कैसी लगी आपको?
मिल्खा तोड़ूंगा भी ऐसे.
हो गई चालू? अरे यार मैंने ब्लॉग करने को निकाला कि चालू नहीं हो रही है. सो टर्न्स आउट जरूरत पड़ी ये दोनों ये गाड़ी को धक्का मार के लेकर आए यहाँ पे. थैंकफुली गोवा में सब जगह पे पेट्रोल मिलता है. ये आगे है इसका? अच्छा
ATM है ना गाड़ी का नाम क्या? ATM. शिखर ने ATM लिया है.
काश.
So we just got some temporary tattoos done. मैंने कराया, शिखर ने कराया, सिद्धि ने कराया, आदित्य ने कराया. ये दोनों ने नहीं कराया. Like we're noobs to get real tattoos done, so we got temporary ones done. Anyway, तो हम लोग को basically I'll show you what the tattoos look like later once they like dry and stuff like that. But tell them what happened.
This has wet ink, okay? So you are not allowed to touch it for at least 15 to 20 minutes after it's done.
Correct.
So Shikhar had to sit on a stool, which was already taken by Nani. So Shikhar fell.
कैसा कैसा
ऐसा.
भले भले स्टाइल.
और फिर 2 minutes. And all the ink has transferred here. Iconic. Highlight of the trip.
ए नाड़ी इधर.
ये second highlight है.
So basically ऐसे करके नानी को भी टैटू मिल गया.
So our scooties stopped working again. So what is one tip that you should give them? Bol.
Refuel wisely.
Yeah, don't fill 50 rupees at a time. Fill at least 200, 300. Chingus mat bano hamari tarah. So it is the last day. Our flight is at 6:45. So we're gonna have to leave by 3 o'clock. So there's not much that we can actually do today. So we're just walking to a cafe nearby, which is like 5 minutes away. We don't have our scooties also because we had to submit them this morning. And we've taken a room by paying 1,000 rupees extra, like extended checkout ka. So everyone, सबका सामान एक ही रूम में है. And खाना खाने के बाद we'll go back to our rooms. So we're here at the cafe. It's called Kosher. I've been seeing this cafe every single day. The first day also when we came here, I saw this really cute hut cafe and I've been wanting to come here. Finally we're here on the last day. We actually just got done having our brunch and the food was pretty good. It's like a vegan, gluten-free, very like healthy food vibe. So the taste, I mean, I don't know if everyone's gonna like it. I personally like it. It was okay, but the ambience is really cute. So yeah, I'll leave the details down below. Also, I had promised to show you guys the tattoos. So they got matching bestie tattoos. और यहाँ पे भी थोड़ा खराब कर दिया है, but it's his fault. But it looks nice. Band tattoos ना. सी तेरा बता, सिद्धि का भी बहुत मस्त है.
तीर्थ का भी टैटू दिखाओ ना.
मेरा ये है. I got a palm with a wave in remembrance of Goa. And then I also got a heart which looks very stupid. It looks like sketch pens and Rocky. Yeah. So I would say for like a band tattoo, cute. But when it comes to all of these like tiny detailing tattoos, temporary tattoos look really fake and really bad. So ideally get a real one done. I will get a real one done this year. Yeah, exactly. तुम लोग भी कराने वाले. ये band ही कराओगे ना तुम लोग? I'll vlog it.
Boarding from
So we are at Goa airport.
Yeah, we're leaving.
And we're just going to board our flight. The boarding is on.
Correct.
But then we're waiting for Aditya and Jatin because they wanted to use the washroom.
Yes, correct. Thanks कर लो, आप ही कर लो. So anyway,
wow. Respect.
that's the end of the trip. But I will check in with you guys once I'm back home so that we can summarize everything. And there are a few things that I want to say. So we'll do that at home. By the way, we're in Skion. Link down below if you want to twin with your besties on the airport. So as you can see, I'm back home, but I'm checking in after like 15 days. So it's been a while. After we came back home, we quarantined for 24 hours. Everyone came back to my studio and we stayed there. And we also got a COVID test done. So since we were traveling by flight, it's compulsory to get a COVID test done. I mean, either ways we would have gotten it done, and all of us luckily, thank God, tested negative. So that was the aftermath. Other than that, a lot of you guys were curious as to, number one, why did Adya and Mayur not join us? That's because they were busy. So unfortunately, they couldn't make it during the days that we had picked. Other than that, a lot of you wanted to know about my wound. Thank you so much for asking. It's completely healed now and there's like fresh skin growing on top of it, and the scar is also healing. I'm not doing anything for the scar, but yeah, it's doing really well. Thank you for asking. And lastly, a lot of you wanted to know the budget, like how much did I spend overall. So I'm just gonna pop up on the screen like a breakdown, but I'll just explain it to you guys very quickly. So 6,000 rupees was the accommodation, the hotel. Then 6,000 rupees was the travel. Fare 1,200 rupees was the scooty ka fare, like for the 4 days. And then 3,000 rupees we spent on casino, and then whatever is left is just like miscellaneous on food, drinks, shopping. I didn't do a lot of shopping. I think I spent like max 500 rupees on shopping, but I didn't calculate this trip as such to like break it down overall, but I do have a rough estimate that I've spent between 20 to 22,000, which is, I would say, pretty decent. Not the most budget friendly trip, but it's not the most luxurious trip also. So it's somewhere in between. But of course, I'm going to be linking everything like the last time. The hotel that I stayed in, and there's actually nothing else that I can link now that I think of it. All the restaurants that we've stayed, I mean not stayed at, ate at. But yeah, I think that's basically it. I really hope you guys enjoyed my Goa series, even though it was just like a 2-part thing. I hope I'm able to make more of these soon. Really hoping that we're able to travel ASAP, and I think that's basically about it. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.